Buonasera e benvenuti alla classe di Italiano 3. Io sono la professoressa LoPiccolo. I taught your children last year in Italian 2. We had a great year, and I'm excited to start Italian 3. Let's talk a little bit about what class will look like and what class will entail. Students do need a notebook, binder, or spiral while in virtual as well as in class. A folder for when we get back to class during hybrid lessons, writing utensils, pens, highlighters, pencils, and something I highly suggest this year, it is optional, but I would, if students can purchase what is called a Sparks chart, it is a vocabulary and grammar essential chart with vocabulary and grammar that we've covered throughout the years, as well as new vocabulary and grammar. What textbook will students be using this year? This year, we will be using the companion series called Immagina. Immagina, again, is the companion series of the textbook Sentieri. We will review past tense, present tense to increase fluency and writing skills. Some of the new things that students will be learning this year is a different past tense, a new past tense called the imperfecto, which students express basically what they would have done in the past, as well as commands and making polite requests. Can students access extra help online? Of course they can. Students will continue to have Quizlet as a reference. A Quizlet class was created for Italian 3. I will be putting old practices, material that we covered last year, grammar and vocabulary, as well as new material on a weekly basis. Do students have extra help? Of course they do. In school, I'm available in the morning in room E211 from 7:45 to 8:05 on an appointment basis. When in school, students know that if Signor LoPiccolo is in a room, they can knock, or I'm across the hall in the copy room. I could be found quite often there. Students can see if I have additional time, and we can set up an extra help session. During virtual instruction, extra help is from 2:14 to 2:49 on an assigned day, and that schedule can be found in Classroom under the tab Extra Help folder. Will students get homework? Absolutely. Every single night, students will have homework with the exception of test and quiz days, which often is a review. For homework, I just want to express how important homework is because in class, within those 50 minutes, Signor LoPiccolo is encouraging your child to speak as much Italian as possible. So homework will reinforce the skills that they learn in class, grammar, and writing, especially writing and reading. Students should make an attempt to complete the homework fully. Skipping problems is not considered an attempt. If they have difficulty, they can contact me through Google Classroom and just leave me a message. We do go over homework the next day in class. It is almost always checked for completion and not accuracy. However, if I do collect it, students know in advance. Absent, no problem. For online instruction, students can go to Google Classroom and under the classwork or homework tab, they can find out what was assigned that day. In class, any handouts, any homework that was distributed will be put in a folder labeled with Italian 3 and stapled to the bulletin board. How are students graded? Tests, major assessments are 45%, and that includes projects. Quizzes, minor assessments, 35%. Classwork and homework, 20%. Can students earn extra credit? Yes. There are extra credit questions that I include on a test or a quiz. Many times I pull those questions from a running vocab list that students are encouraged to have. And while there are lessons and we target vocabulary that or verbs that are not seen in the unit and themes, students write those down. What can you do as a parent or guardian to help them succeed? If they are struggling in homework, please encourage them to look at their notes, seek help, attend an extra help session. You could also, if you do speak the language, help them pronounce words, study with them. They can create flashcards and you can quiz them on that. Please check Genesis for updated grades and please be involved. How can you reach me? During remote instruction, email is best, dlopiccolo@frhsd.com. During in-class instruction, I still prefer email. However, if you'd like to leave me a message, I will definitely get back to you. And the phone number is 431-8460 at extension 3136. Buonasera e grazie per essere venuti alla nostra classe.